طالب علم د حفظ طالب علم ته حافظ محمد علي صاحب ته چې هغوی راشي او تاسو ته په انګلیش کې تقریر وکړي او د هغه موضوع د سیرت محمد صلی الله علیه وسلم زه محمد علي ته دعوت ورکوم چې هغوی راشي.
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. Today my topic is Sirat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. My hero is as great and kind as his angel. I am proud of being one of his followers. He is the Prophet of Islam, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is a great figure in the world and the most influential people humanity has never witnessed. His words and deeds greatly affect human thought and behavior throughout history. He was a religious teacher, a great father, a wonderful husband, a faithful friend, an excellent guide, a strong believer, social and political reformer, and the best companion. I love him more than myself because of his special status in our religion. Allah has honored him. All Muslims are grateful to him for his achievement. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is the last prophet of Allah sent to all humankind. He was born in Mecca in the 570 AD. He was orphan, so he was raised by his uncle Abdul Muttalib, who was from a tribe called Quraysh. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was illiterate too, but he was famous for being truthful, trustworthy, confident and generous. He used to help the poor by giving them charity. He used to play with children and make them happy. He was so honest and sincere to the extent that people call him the trustworthy. At 40, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam received his first revelation from Allah through the angel Jibreel. At first, he was afraid. When he returned to home, he told his wife Khadija what was going on. Khadija radiallahu anha took him to her cousin Waraka ibn Nawfal, who told Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam that he was going to be a prophet. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was very happy and waited to the second revelation from Allah for 23 years. The verses of Holy Quran come successively. He and his followers suffered from unbelievers who tried to hurt them. Allah allowed them to immigrate from Mecca to Medina in the year 622 AD. Some years later, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam and his followers became stronger and were able to return to Mecca. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is up to now a perfect example of honesty, fairness, mercifulness, compassion, faith, courage and commitment, an exceptional, thoughtful human being and brave. My words is so small and his personality is one and only all over the world, in past and future, and also among the people of his lifetime. That is why I am not be able to explain him. I hope that Allah give me and all Muslims the love of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Thank you.